Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga kadshi! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green girly cutie patuti iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating last episode ng ating topic for this day or for the past 3 days. It's all about Tangelo. Ayun po, sa mga nakasubaybay, this is the hybrid fruit called Tangelo and we have been discussing this for about 3 days and tatapusin natin ito. So we have tackled the benefits and of course the introduction on what a tangelo is, and for those who haven't seen a tangelo, it's a hybrid fruit. Okay, so they usually are available in California and Florida. Dun po sila usually cultivate. It's because of the weather and of course the environment there. All right, and we also have discussed about its different benefits. That one of the few of its benefits are, of course, Tangelo is good for weight loss. It boosts the immune system, increases circulation, and let's proceed to the few more topics, which is aids in digestion. Okay, the Tangelo has a dietary fiber known to improve the digestion properties or digestive properties, particularly when it comes to the symptoms of constipation, cramping, or bloating. So, ito po mga masters, this Tangelo, this fruit, is really good for those who have problems or symptoms that are connected to constipation, cramping, and bloating. Yan po. Fiber can stimulate peristalsis or the movement of our intestines, but that's called peristalsis. The motion or the peristaltic motion, and even improve the bacterial balance in the guts. O, diba? Nakakatulong po siya para ibalansihin po ang bacteria or sa ating or normal flora sa ating gastrointestinal tract. Okay? And ang second, next natin na benefit po ng ating Tangelo, or I think that's the last benefit na i-discuss natin, is for heart health. Okay, Tangelos contain high levels of potassium, which is a vasodilator. So when you say vasodilator, pinaparelax niya po ang ating kaugat-ugatan. Pag sinabi naman nating vasoconstrictor, constrict siya po ay nag-cause po ng paninikip. So it means that this vasodilator, the veins or arteries and veins po natin ay pinaparelax po ng tinatawag na vasodilator. Procedure natin ay very, very restless. Yun. Pero hindi siya pwede makareklamo kay daddy. Kasi bida ka dito, G. You cannot do that to the daddy. Okay? Alright. In fact, you see there's a lot of friends there watching us. Okay, just hug daddy. Okay? So there are very potent vasodilators that can protect you against blood pressure or high blood pressure problems. Fiber also scraps excess cholesterol that can lower from the arteries and blood vessels. So, siniscrape or linilinisan niya po ng fiber mismo ang cholesterol sa ating arteries and blood vessels, which can lower the chances of atherosclerosis. So, it means na yung pagpo-form ng mga fats or mga blockages po sa ating veins and arteries. Okay? So do you know that Tangelo in your daily diet is very, very healthy. Okay? So if you want to add Tangelos to your daily and weekly diet, it is important to know some of the different forms of Tangelos can take na kailangan na pwede nating i-take, including in jam. Pwede siyang gawing jam, o di ba? Cake, salad, fruit smoothies as a garnish and a flavorful addition to various desserts. So pwede po siya gamitin ang tangelos sa in different forms. O, diba? As mentioned above, or as we mentioned a while ago, tangelos are quite easy to peel. Na-discuss po natin yan a few days, 2 days ago, ng introduction pa lang. Mabilis po siya at hindi siya mahirap balatan. So all you have to do, actually, kung wala kang kutsilyo, ito na lang pong gagawin natin. Wala tayong kutsilyo. Ito gagawin natin ganito na lang, oh. Ayan. So, ayun, nakuha ko na yung, nabalatan, nakuha ko na yung nipple niya. And of course, ang gagawin mo na lang is, ayun, no, yung balat niya is very thin na po. Very thin na po ang balat niya. Hindi katulad ng apple, ng orange na kailangan talaga nakadikit po siya. Ito po ay very easy to peel na po siya. Okay? So masarap talaga ang tangelos, mga masters. At good news, kinahain po ni G ang tangelos kahapon. Kinahain po ni G. Yun, so kukunin natin si G mamaya at papakainin ulit natin ang tangelo. Okay? So dahil po ay easy to peel yung kanilang skin and there is a lower level of fibrous tissue inside. Kunti lang yung fibrous tissue niya. And that you might find in an orange or tangerine. Sa orange at tangerine, marami po silang fibrous tissue sa loob. Ito po ay very clean. Manipis lang po. Okay? After peeling this fruit, you can juice them and or eat them raw. So mabilis po siya, kainin na lang agad. Ito po, hindi mo na kailangan po itong malinis na talaga. Diba? Si G natin na malinis din. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Before ako nag-start, pinaliguan ko na po siya. Okay? Yun po mga masters and mga ka-G. Tapos na po tayo sa tangelo. And I hope nakatry po kayo ng tangelo. Sarap ang tangelo. Parang combination po ito ng it's a hybrid kind of fruit. Diba? So again, ang pangalan nito, the scientific name is Citrus X Tangelo. Kasi it's a hybrid fruit of tangerines and pomelo. Ayun po. At kukunin ko muna si G, mga masters. Sandali po. Ayun po. At syempre, nakuha ko na po si G. Bilis naman ng G kunin. Pumunta naman siya po sa akin eh. Alright. So, papakainin natin si G. Let's try giving G her tangelo. Ito si G natin ay super talaga. Super kulit. Ano ba ang problema natin, G? Let's go eat your tangelo. Go eat your tangelo, oh. Don't scratch daddy's face. Ano naman po yung ni G? Yung kanyang kuko ay naputulan na rin po. So hindi na po siya nagkukos ng scratches po sa akin. No, don't go first. We're gonna get you your tangelo. Yan po ang tangelo ni G, oh. Give her tangelo. Po mga masters, papakita lang po ni G na kumakain po siya ng tangelo. Diba? Papakainin lang si G ng tangelo niya. Alright, so ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat mga masters and mga ka-G sa ating kakatapos lang po na Team Puyaters Premier Promotion kagabi. At tayo po ay nag-celebrate ng Valentine Special sa Premier Promotion nila doon. At ako po yung nag-host at syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umakyat at sa lahat po na nag-share na kayo ng precious time sa ating Premier Promotion. Yan po, oh. At sana po ay kakainin ito ni G sa harapan nyo kasi si G natin ay nahihiya pag meron po siyang camera sa kanyang harapan. So, syempre, lahat po ng umakyat at nag-support po ay very appreciated ko po yun. At tumulong po kayo sa pagiging sa ating successful event. Pero, hindi ako talaga na nag-all out kasi after my show is I still have to go back to work. So I have to I cannot really change or do my costume changes. So I'm going to invite you. Okay, I'm all inviting you for the big event this coming Sunday. Okay, Sunday na lang tayo mag-event ha, mga masters and mga kaji. Sunday na po tayo mag-i-event. Ano mo? Your favorite and Jello. Okay? So, meron tayong premier marathon na naman sa Bahay Kulitan. At sana po ay doon tayo let's go. I'll try my best to have some games. Kung makapag-games tayo. At syempre, magkakaroon din tayo ng mga contest. At try ko rin yung best ko kung paano ko kayo i-entertain ng mabuti. Syempre, welcome po lahat ng mga singers June sa Sunday. At let's have love songs. Syempre, continuation po ng Valentine's celebration po natin yan mga masters. Right? So I hope na kayo po ay patuloy sa pag support sa aking channel. Thank you. And of course, I would like to extend my uh, gratefulness to all my followers, to all my subscribers, and of course to all my members. And thank you so much, Bahay Kulitan, Team Puyaters, and of course our other sister companies. Andyan po yung ating Team Gapangan, Team One Love. Ang kasamahan natin dyan kay um, Sisi Lintec and sa team ni Sisi Lintec. Of course, sa grupo din ni Sisi Monya. At of course, sa Team Kalingap sa pamumuno ni Kuya Bal Santos Matubang at Ate Edna at Kalingap Rob at sa mga kasamahan natin dyan sa Team Kalingap. Maraming salamat. At sa mga hindi ko po nabati ng mga other teams, maraming salamat po. Sa Team Love and Care pala ni Ma'am Marita Sumblas and Company. Okay, the Deep Yatters, of course, maraming salamat din po. Team Batcha. Alright, so this is your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!